Guys, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a really quick video, and your girl's got her hand over the shipping label for this package, and over the package, it appears that my address is all over the daggone thing. So, alright, I've had a long day. So I'm going to unbox this box. Unbox the box. It is from Pandora. It is from Pandora. I got this inside. There is tissue paper. Big bunch of tissue paper. If y'all like those AMSR videos, here you go. Here's this thing. That is the most dumbest thing. I'm about to go to bed and it's like 6:50 at night. Would be any kind of shipping label. You know, basic packing stuff. Then of course they have to include another, they included, with what's down there, they included a cute little fancy schmancy bag. If you guys know Pandora, I love their bags. I actually collect the bags, the regular white Pandora bags with the pink ribbons. Yeah, so I will be petty and I will be collecting this one. It's got some red ribbon. I know you're like, will you stop showing me boxes and show me what's in the other box? Here is a little card that it included. Do celebrate love. Wishing you a happy Valentine's Day. And it does come with an envelope. That's super cute. Yeah. All right. Well, let's bust on into what's down in there. Here is a care and warranty card. Oh boy. What is in here? And let's just go ahead and open. There's a tag with a heart. And it says lovingly lion. It says lovingly made in Thailand. In the other language with a pretty Pandora signature box. And I gotta open it with my chin. Oh, you guys look. And there is a pretty Pandora box. And that is the newest charm. Well, charm, not charm. It's a ring. It's a little charm. Look how cute. I'll try it on. Lay it out here so you guys can see it. It's so cute. And it's like, just like a silver band. And it, here if I can do it right. It does dangle. Dangle. Dangle, dangle, dangle. I normally wear a 7.5, but this looks like it's an 8. Oh, and you know what? It's actually cushion cut. If you guys don't know what cushion cut is, it's not like sharp edged. It's rounded, so it won't like dig into your skin. So let me try it on. So here it is on, and it just dangles. I get that with you. It's super cute. If I get on my middle finger, I don't want to shoot you guys the bird, but here you go, all the way around. And I love it. It is so comfortable. I don't know what was paid. It was a gift, so yay. So this was a really quick video, you guys. Your girl is super tired. Don't forget, down in the link below, there is, down below, let me rephrase it. Down in the description box below, there is a link for you guys to go and click on that link and to enter to win the giveaway that I'm running. So head on over and I just pinched my skin. What? Beep, 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 beep. Enter to win the giveaway that I'm running, and don't forget to also hit the subscribe button down below. As always, guys, stay blessed, stay warm, and I will see you guys later.